Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to turn off or disable picture-in-picture on a YouTube application. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So first go to your Google Play Store and search for YouTube, and then from here guys, you should be able to update it here when the application have an update. And now guys, open up the app. Then over here on the app, just go to your profile over here on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then from here, just go to the top right corner of the screen on the settings. And then over here, guys, just tap on the general. And here, you should be able to have disabled picture in picture and make sure to toggle it. But on my device, I don't have that featured yet. But guys, on your device, you should be able to see it here. Disable picture in picture or turn on picture in picture and make sure to toggle it. And then from there, you should be able to turn it off. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.